Hey, it's James Arthur here,
Okay.
and we're gonna sing this song together. Here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. I met you in the dark. You lit me up. You made me feel as though I wasn't off.
We didn't the night away. We done too much. I hear your heartbreak when you were throwing up.
And then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest.
And you asked me to stay over. I said already to you. I think that you should get someone else.
But I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know. Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go.
I knew I need you, but I never saw. But I want to stay with you until we play alone. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll make you out with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with kiss on your hand.
And I'll take the kids to school with them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for the night.
When you're looking over our shoulder, for a minute I forget all the
I wanna dance with you right now. Whoa.
And you look
As beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow.
I'm
So in love with you,
and
I hope you know. Darling, your love is one.
What is like God?
We've come so far, my dear. Look how we've grown. I wanna stay with you until we're gray old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts. Cause you were always there for me when I needed you most.
I'm going to love you till my leg gives up. I promise till that we fall like in our falls.
So I wrote this song for you. Now everybody knows that it's just you and me till we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go.
Just say you won't let go.
Oh, just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
That was cool.